So the past week I have been doing up our like attic area. I mean, this has always kind of been like my room. Like a while ago what I had is a kind of arts and crafts bit when I was in like first year, but I've been doing it up this week. So I will show you all around, but I've got one more wall that needs painted. So I've got the paint up and I'm just gonna paint that, but I thought I would do a little time lapse of it. Before I start, I actually can't stop listening to this song.
Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow, I'm not a cat, I don't sing cow.
Okay, my time lapse kind of ran out when I was like down in like this corner, I want to say, but I finished the wall. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is going to be so cool, and I'm going to put like fairy lights like down the top and then down. Oh, it's just going to look so cool. And then we've got this little thing to go up. So this was just a bit of wire that I had and I spray painted it, and then these little shelves are actually laminate flooring samples, and then I just hot glued some string onto them and tied them on, and I've got 2 of them. Looks really cool, but I feel like once the paint's dried and I put that back up on the wall, I'll show you guys. But I'm so excited about this. Last thing that I want to do is paint this mirror. I seen a thing that people had done and they painted like clouds on their mirror, so I want to do that as well, but I'm like literally bursting for a pee. That took so much longer than I thought. So I'm gonna go and pee, and I need to start cutting up potatoes for dinner. Exciting life I lead. Also, excuse my clothes, I've literally got on like a baggy t-shirt and leggings because we were painting. To put these cans in my vlog. Oh, you know what I could go? See that Corona with the... Oh, they are quite cool. Here's Conin's beers. Do you know what...
Never
is
tried
that
any
Rubicon?
of them. They're crossing the Rubicon. I don't know, I've never tried any of them, but...
Where'd you get them?
Review coming up. Let's just do you want to do a quick review of one
I
of them?
don't really like beer, but...
Oh. Tropical flavours. I thought that would have been that. So guys, here we have Keira's going to be trying her first beer.
So my first beer.
Thumbnail.
It's like ASMR.
Keira's. Conin's.
Where did you get these?
Tesco.
Big Tesco?
Mm-hmm. No, we won.
Oh, I was going to say Eve.
Okay, cheers. Happy Friday, guys. Weird.
It smells like fruity, but then
It doesn't
you try
taste
it and
it.
it doesn't taste it.
Well, it's just an average kind of beer.
I mean, I would drink that, but this, it's weird because it smells like Rubicon.
It smells much more fruity than it actually tastes. Not bad.
Also got film developed the other day and it came in this wee thing and it really reminds me of my wee cousin Sienna. I don't know why, I just feel like this would be something that she'd get up to. So yeah, Sienna, if you're watching this, hi, I miss you. And you too, Kyla. And Zach, who I've never met before but would like to meet. And Richard and Yasmin. Miss you all. Miss you all, Canadian fam. Here's my final chips before we start eating.
Got the crunch, got the texture, got the taste.
And here's our chicken and burgers. Cheers. Peace out. I actually hate having any foundation on my lips. Let's see how much came off. That's better. I think my dad just said here's a top one. Here he comes now to annoy me.
You doing?
See? Told you.
What?
I said here he comes to annoy me.
When here he comes, you can hear me walking across the floor. Kiddo, you're some sort of psychic, you know. You're a psycho.
My dad just called me a psycho. I also need lip balm. My lips have been so dry the past couple of days and I don't know why. But we're gonna go make some coffee. Okay guys, it's time for the daily song from Keira Mclean. Here we go guys. Still get that Doja Cat song stuck in my head. Yeah, bitch I'm a cow, bitch I'm a cow, I'm a cat, I don't say bow. But this is so TMI, but see if you're from Scotland, I don't know if it's Scotland or the UK, there's a advert on the telly and it's like, it was just like literally a picture of a flower and they were talking about like vaginas and stuff. We've got flowers and one of them actually looks like the flower in the advert. I'll show you. Like, if you've seen that on the telly, do you know what I'm talking about? Just like some woman talking, she's like, does referring to your vagina as your flower and stuff like that. It's a bit awkward, random, but we're gonna make lunch and then I'll show you the attic. Okay, let me show you. I've just went up and turned all the lights on. You come through the front door, there was like tons of suitcases here but I've kind of sorted them out. And then we've got fairy lights going all up the stairs. Then we go up and I put these posters up on the wall. So I've got Catfish and the Bottle Men, Milky Chance, Hosier and the 1975. And then I've got fairy lights on this side. I basically just repainted these stairs white. So then we come up and my brother has like a little bit over here with all his music stuff. We come around, I'll start in this bit. So here's my little filming area. Let me see if it focuses a bit better. So I've got kind of split up into 3 sections. So we've got like fashion vids, sit down vids and makeup vids. So here is the little makeup bit. I've got my lights set up here. Then here I've got this little rug. Looks a lot nicer in person than it does on camera. It's kind of sparkly. That again was from B&M's. I want to say it was like £25. And then we've got our little sofa bed. But this corner I feel like is just so cool. It's gonna be so cool for like sit down videos. And then we come over here and this is the corner that you guys seen me painting yesterday, which I just love this so much. And I was like so worried that my dad wasn't gonna like it because he's so fussy with stuff, but he actually was like, yeah, I love it. So you saw me painting this yesterday, but it's just got like a bunch of like circles and little like paintbrush marks on it. And we've got fairy lights that go all the way down and all the way along to this part, which is like the kind of like seating area bit. I'm gonna get like new pillows and stuff for this, but for now like these ones will do. But this is my little like bar area. So I've got this little board here, but as you can see it needs change. It says Happy Galentine's on it, which is definitely not Galentine's anymore. And then in the little bar here, so I've got a cocktail shaker up here which I got for my birthday, and I got the girls these for their Galentines, but I was like, just keep them here because then we've all kind of got like matching glasses. And then we go around and I've just got like a bunch of different like booze. I've got disposable cups. These will just be for like if we play beer pong and stuff like that. Like these probably won't get used all the time because it's a bit of a waste, but we've got little pink cups, and then these are little shot glasses which are so cute. They were from Asda. And then we go round, I've got a phone charger, I've got like an extension here, so like if anyone else brings a phone charger we can just plug them all in there. And I've got a bin under here for rubbish, and then we go around here and I've got these are all plastic cups because I'm always worried someone like drops something. So I've got a bunch of plastic cups and reusable straws up here. And then I've got shot glasses all along here. We've got a little double-sided measure thing that's came in so handy already. And then I've got this bottle opener with a wine cork, like wine screwer thing on it. How fancy. I'm gonna just sit now and plan out a video up here because why not? It's like 4 hours later. I've literally spent 4 hours making a like 10-second intro for the new series that I'm going to be doing, and then it got a copyright claim. Don't want to talk about it. But got the pizza kit out because I'm actually starving. I've literally ate chocolate today and that's it because I forgot what time it was. So we've got our pizza kit, we've got our dough, sauce, cheese and basil, I want to say. I'm going to roll these out and start cooking pizza. I think we've also got a bunch of meat as well in there. So the plan is to make pizzas and then me and the girls are going to have a wee drink on FaceTime to each other. That's about it. Made a little baby garlic bread pizza. So cute. We've got stuff to make a Nutella pizza. We've got this one here which has mascarpone, pesto, pepperoni, ham and pineapple on... You look pretty rank on this camera. Ham and pineapple on boy's request and pepperoni, I think. And I don't really know what this one is, but pretty good. Pretty excited. The ultimate chocolate pizza. Oh yeah. Taste test. That's hitting all the chocolate spots.
Chocolate spots.
Oh, I've got my peas. I need all the chocolate that I can get. I think I'm going to end the vlog for tonight. Just going to go FaceTime my friends now. Not calling in to see if we would do anything interesting. Are you going to do anything interesting to end this vlog?
Nah.
No?
Just standing behind you. That's fine.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go FaceTime my friends now. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next vid on Wednesday. Peace out. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow.